Welcome to my channel. How we make drink for flu. Fennel, celery, green cardamom, mint. Add all ingredients in water. We take a pot and add some water.